Hey, how you doing, Garage Door Mike? We're going to show you Coachman CGU12 with Arch 3 window. And we went with the arch windows here because of these clip corners. And you could see we did some measurements before we even came out, and they didn't lose any glass whatsoever. Maybe an inch right here. Let's see what that is. Yeah, maybe like an inch. Not anything huge at all. Turned out absolutely awesome. These are the 2-inch urethane insulated Coachman doors from Clopay. Always like the Clopay bevel. Got the nice wide seals here to seal up. Had the Ace Boom Ba do the clip corners for us. I'll show you the door without the clip corner, or excuse me, without the seal. Without the seal, you can see you're getting all the window, but with the seal, you're only losing like an inch. It ain't nothing. These grids, you can take these grids off to clean the windows. You just slide that one up, this one that way, and this one that way, and these inserts will come right out. Then you'd have like an arch window with no grid whatsoever if you want to do it that way. Got the wood grain look. I'm going to go on the inside and show you what we got going on the inside here. Come this way. Okay. Here we are on the inside. You can see the nice clear windows to see out. I will say this too, on the 24-inch top window, I'm 6'1", I could easily like see outside. So if that's a concern to you, you don't want people peeping in, maybe get like an obscure window, like seated or something, or frosted or tinted, something like that. Clopay does give you 2 springs now for the Coachman doors, so it goes up a little smoother. They do give you the 14-gauge hardware, 11 ball, or I think they give you a 10 ball nylon wheel. I think it's 10 ball, not 11. Should be 11, should be 13 actually, but I don't know, maybe Clopay will up the rollers someday. I don't know. We did put struts on the door because it says so right there. So we do, but they don't come with it. For all the money you get charged for these, you'd think they'd come with a strut, and they don't. It's ridiculous. 2-car garages come with, I think, 2 struts on the glass panel. I don't know. I never understood that, but whatever. We did 15-inch radius here. We had to move the openers up because we had headroom to do so. 15-inch, you can see we put the lags in all the spots they should go in, the end bearing plate, and then 3 in the flag bracket. Okay. We had to lower the opener arm because of the moving the opener up, so, and then we put 3 bolts in there, and then we had to move the openers up too. These are hugging the ceiling. All headroom is used. And the reason, that's what I was going to say, the reason why we went with 15s here is the 24-inch panels on the top, and number 2, they just run a million times smoother with 15-inch radius. I hate 12-inch radius. I use it when I absolutely have to. And watch this. See this? Take this. I just seen a handprint right there. That works great getting off the grease. And I use the simple green nowadays just to clean my hands with, but I use the WD to clean and cut the grease. So that's it. I mean, these turned out really nice. These are 9x7s. Okay. Open this one up. These are old purple button chain bangers. And there's the door. Can you please close that for me for the finale of the video? Thank you, sir. So you can see, if you've got clip corners on your 9x and are worried about glass, get these arched openings. They're going to fit like right in there. These are like almost 2-foot clips too. But there's the two doors. CGU12 with Arch3 windows for all your door needs, Coachman's, everything. Innovative. 630-271-9343, www.Innovativedoor.com. Like us on Facebook, smash that subscribe button, smash the like button, drop a comment or a question. We'll help you out any way we can. Thanks for watching our Coachman clip corner garage door video, and as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thank you for watching our video.